Hi, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer one question that keeps coming over and over again. Someone asking, how does the MTN Momo card work like? And hey, if you are new to this channel, I hope you create a digital presence from scratch. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Let's dive straight in. Actually, the MTN MoMo MasterCard is just like any other physical cards from different banks, just like, you know, this UBA card, or just like this card, which is a Visa. This is a Visa debit card, and this is a prepaid Visa debit card. So these are cards that are issued by banks that are physical, but in this case, the MTN MoMo MasterCard is a MasterCard, not a Visa card. It's a debit card, but it's a virtual card also. There is no physical, card from MTN. So it exactly works just like these cards, but only online, because you can't insert it into your machine. It's virtual, so it's a card that you will need just to make purchases online. So what is this MTN card? Where does it come from? So MTN, MasterCard, and United Bank of Africa, UBA partnered, and they came up with this whole thing, which is really amazing, to have these Momo cards that can be generated virtually using your Momo account. Just like normal debit cards, they are linked to your bank accounts, or actually you just have to deposit money on that card itself. But in this case, the Momo card is reflecting to your mobile money account. And the other thing is that to have a Momo card, you charged a fee about 1,000 to generate it, and it works for a specific period of time. Before it was, I think, 14 days. Now it's up to like 30 days. So it is something that you guys can generate and anytime delete it so that no one else can access it. I find that interesting. So this MTN Momo card can really help you greatly to do a couple of things online, just like from buying services, products from different companies. This can be, companies, online e-commerce platforms that accept master debit cards as a way of payment. So it is an interesting tool you guys should check out. Actually, I'm going to put a link in the description below of a blog I wrote of how you can use this MasterCard to make purchases online, how you can generate it, how you can make purchases, and how you can delete it, and all those details. So you guys, in case you have any questions about this Momo MasterCard, let me know in the comment box below, and ask any question related to that. I'll be willing to help out in that case. Question of the day: what is stopping you from purchasing services and products from online platforms out there? Thank you for dropping by this channel. If you are new here, still don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. See you in my next video.